Basta laagan gani ka, magsaag-saag jud ka sigasa. Wala guys, ang sapatos naguba na gyud. So we need to buy. So what's up mga ka-SHOBIKES, for today's video guys, mga tatakara sa Divisorya kay retire na itong sapatos.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was, but it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I'd live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignore them still. All these questions, they're for real. Like, who would you live for? Who would you die for? And would you ever kill? Oh, 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 oh.
Dili pa na siya mga Divisorya guys. Pero mga mas barato ra sa punani. Nice po diri guys. Pero mga barato ra mga PAMAN. So mangita tag shoes guys.
Yung parang trip ka yun.
Basta laagan dyan ka, magsaag-saag jud ka sigasa. Wala na masag ka. Kaya na po kay kwarta. So nalo ta diri ka rin guys. So kaya diri guys. So pangitahan na karon ang Divisorya. Para kayo pa jud ang Divisorya guys.
I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. don't you go. I'll be alone. Wait until the morning. I'll hold you close. Please don't you go. I'll be alone. Wait until the morning. Right until it's dawning. Please don't you go. I'll be alone. Wait until the morning. I'll hold you close. Please don't you go. I'll be alone. Wait until the morning. Right until it's dawning.
You see here, kid, you gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before.
So, ba't sa mga showbikes na kapalit na ko karoon ng sapatos guys, so ma-online. Tara. So, ang atong all nga shoes na ara. Shoes guys. Tara guys. So.